Good morning. Morning.
Okay, we have a red-tailed hawk on a fence post on the hillside nearest to the last word ranch. Looks like he might have gotten something for breakfast. Yep. Breakfast it is. Looks to be adult.
Hey, he's getting something.
He already got something.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, he's up there eating breakfast. We have Speedy down. Yeah, go ahead, that's yours. Fluffy's area. Jay's gonna put some treats down for her. Okay, they're down. And she's gonna head back over. Really long drink, I guess. Fluffy, are you gonna come for treats? Fluffy girl. Okay. That was a very, very long drink of water, babe. Her water dish was empty. It wasn't damaged, just empty. So, put fresh water down. Her face went in it, and it stayed there for several minutes. Hi, Tabby. She thinks you're going to give her treats on the other corner of the ground cover. Yeah, okay. Yes, you had your treats already. Fluffy's having hers now. Collie. Come on. Yeah, you. Treats over here this morning. Collie. Yeah, she's now coming over to the treats. I wonder why not. Jay put them down. He stuck them over on the cement curb by the back parking lot for their church. We're at the Lutheran church. Collie, come on. Over here. They're over here. Okay, she's coming now. Okie dokies. We're gonna head on. We have the male and female California quail in the middle section of Alviso Adobe Park. They're foraging amongst the vegetation, seeds, whatever. And a bunny rabbit, a cottontail rabbit, which the quail don't seem to mind. This is the female here and the male's spotted towhee. All he took was a peanut, but he'll come back for the mealworms. Yeah, you know where they're at. Yep.
And we've got a dark morph red-tailed hawk on a utility pole on Calaveras Road. Kathy spotted a young western fence lizard on the sidewalk, tossed out a couple of worms in its direction, and it did choose to take one.
Back at the Lutheran Church, and Kali is here. Not sure if she's going to be interested in more trees. We'll see what happens. I have a great white egret up on the eastern hillside amongst the cows. This is close to Whispering Hills Ranch. I think you got something, but hard to see because I'm looking towards the sun. Maybe not. I'll see on a bigger screen. kids of cubs there. Get Fluffy, she's here. We don't see Tabby or hear her, but we saw her earlier. And Tabby did show up. Good morning. Jay put treats down for her on the plate. We're heading on. It's warm and down. Yeah, it's a boy. Speedy got both, not one. Okay. Offspring down. Here we go. Juveniles down for a second one. All right. Okay.